Hello, I'm Dr. Carla Hosbin, and I am grateful for the opportunity to share various technology tools with you today. As an FIU Associate Professor, I utilize many technology tools to virtually engage students in collaborative tasks. As a Broward County Public Schools high school assistant principal, I utilize these tools in meetings and use them to lead professional development sessions. I have also observed their use in classrooms across all content areas. To begin, Google Drive is by far my favorite collaborative technology tool. I use it primarily as an organizational tool for students working on group projects. This tool allows users to simultaneously access, edit, and share files. It eliminates the back and forth of emailing as well as the need to find out which draft is the final draft. As a teacher, you can clearly see which students edited their portion of the draft. Google Docs would primarily be used when students collaboratively write a research paper or answer open-ended questions. Google Slides would be used for presentations and Google Sheets for data collection and for organization. Padlet. Padlet usage is similar to Google Docs as it allows for students to simultaneously edit. I see Padlet as an updated version of a poster board as it allows for students to create a Padlet page in an interactive manner with photos, video, and music. If students are working in small groups in a jigsaw manner and teaching others about a specific topic, Padlet will definitely come in handy. Collaboratively created presentations can be held in this manner where students share and record knowledge as well as ask questions and critique. When student groups are gathering data from various sources and using Google Sheets to organize it, a good way to present it is through Google Awesome Tables. The data can be transferred into various formats such as graph view, a chart view, a directory, or a video gallery. Students can then perform a virtual gallery walk and engage in a class discussion, debate, or pose questions or comments to the class. Customizable maps can be made interactive based on the task, as well as being able to create tabs to sort the data accordingly. Kahoot. Kahoot is a questioning game utilized to check for student understanding in a fun and engaging manner. The teacher is able to tailor the questions to the specific content, as well as being able to immediately access what students know and don't know, enabling them to provide timely feedback. Kahoot is fun, interactive, and students actively engage in friendly competition. Students can be grouped for this type of task, but I recommend that students respond on an individual basis within the group to ensure that the teacher is clear on which students need clarification and which students need enrichment. Student groups can also be given the task of question creation to quiz their classmates on vocabulary or other content. My Simple Show is a great tool for collaborative groups of students to share information on a specific topic with other students in a jigsaw format or to collaboratively create one slideshow. It is a clear tool that can drill down on specific concepts or vocabulary and can be used as a review tool. Cartoons are used to represent ideas, and the visuals can assist English as a second language learners as well. Screencastify and Screencast-O-Matic are two video editing technology tools that enable users to create amazing presentations with voiceovers and can be used by students to present information collaboratively. Videos are customizable and images and text can be added, as well as student videos being edited. Student-created videos can be used by teachers in a flipped classroom format in which students can access peer presentations prior to the teacher's lesson. Students can note-take and prepare questions for a connected discussion. Nearpod. Nearpod is an updated version of PowerPoint combined with questioning as it incorporates interactive questions throughout the presentation. As the presentation is created, questions can be added and used to generate student formative assessment data. Students can see where they fall versus their peers, so it creates friendly competition and is presented in a fun format that is very interactive. Teachers can monitor all student responses and provide feedback on the spot, as well as clarify student misconceptions. Nearpod can also be used in a flipped classroom format to allow students to learn new content and check for their own understanding by answering clarifying questions before engaging in a follow-up class discussion. Nearpod can also be utilized as a review session of previously learned content prior to an examination. Edpuzzle. Edpuzzle is a great way to track student comprehension of concepts by periodically adding questions to videos that students must answer as they watch. The videos will not advance until they do so. This tool can be used in a collaborative manner if students are required to create their own Edpuzzle questions to be shared with the class or their group in a jigsaw format. Teachers can gauge the comprehension of the student creating the Edpuzzle as well as those responding to the questions. This tool enables videos to be watched with a comprehension purpose. Flipgrid. Flipgrid is an interactive platform that allows students to respond to prompts posed by the teacher or members of their group and debate using discussion, shared videos, chats, and various formats similar to social media. Students can post book talks or presentations. For example, when used for debates, the videos are shared and can be commented on by peers to give rubric-based feedback, and the teacher is able to do so immediately as well. Teacher comments can be shared privately when grading and providing specific feedback, as well as public to the whole class when appropriate, using the feedback as a learning tool. The teacher can give various types of access to the grid so student leads can manage groups. There is also the mixtape feature, which combines student videos. Flipgrid has recently added the use of Microsoft's Immersive Reader to assist English language learners in translating instructions and rubrics. Debate Graph. Debate Graph is a mapping tool that students can use to collaboratively create concept maps or various arrangements and use as study guides, to outline debates, to enhance discussions, or to problem solve. When learning content from various chapters or sections of a given textbook, the notes can be divided up and taken by students or student groups using Debate Graph and shared with peers. These are some of my favorite technology resources, and I thank you for your time, and I hope you will find these technology tools useful additions to your virtual classrooms.